Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to restart Grafana server in Windows. So this is my local server. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here and click on search and then just type in run, okay? And here you go. This is the app. I want you to click here and open. Of course, you can also go to use the shortcut, which is Windows plus R on your keyboard. That will open up the run dialog. And then I just want you to type in services.msc, just like that, and then click here on OK. Now this will actually open up your Windows services. You'll see all the services. Just go ahead and scroll down until you reach G. So here we should see Grafana, and as you can see, it's actually running right now. This is the status. I want you to right click on it and then just click here on restart. So there we go. Windows is attempting to start the following service, and now it is running and it will work. So that is how to restart Grafana server in Windows.